Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a notification manager in the Jetpack Compose with an alarm. Okay, I was create a simple application about the notification. Okay, in here I have a button, a simple notification. If I click and after 10 seconds it will raise a notification. Okay, I will wait it for 10 seconds and you can see this can raise a notification with a sound. Okay, and if I update the notification will be raised again notification and I will click the notification and will be to a detailed notification screen. Okay, and then I have a detail screen which is coming to main screen. Okay, without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. Okay, I was create a new project. Okay, first of all you need to do is to the build gradle, and you can copy paste from my GitHub repository in my description below. Okay, in here I have a compose version which is a 1.2.1, and I use the dagger hill for the dependency injection. I use it, and I have a Kotlin 1.7. Okay, in the Gradle module app, you can paste these things, and I use the compile SDK is 33, and I use the Kotlin compiler. I use a 1.3.1. Okay, make sure you use this, and I use Dagger Hill too. Okay, and then I will create a new package in here. This will be will name is common. I will create the new package. It's called a common. Okay, and inside the common, I will create again new package which is annotation and annotation, and one annotation again is wrapper. Okay, the annotation I will create a Kotlin file which is contain alarm pending intent. I will create it from Kotlin file, and the name is annotation file, and then I will create a qualifier in here. Qualifier from Java inject, and then I will create an annotation class which is name is alarm pending intent. Okay, is like this, and I will create again in wrapper. I will create the class of the alarm wrapper. Okay, I will create new Kotlin file. The call is alarm wrapper. Okay, Kotlin file, I will class alarm wrapper, and then I will inject it because I use the dependency injection constructor in here. I will use the alarm manager private file alarm manager. Okay, like this, and then I will call the alarm pending intent in here. Alarm pending intent, which is a private file alarm pending intent. No, alarm pending intent. I use pending intent in here, and I make the curly bracket in here, and I will create the function. I will create function of the second schedule alarm. Okay, which is I'm going to give the schedule of the alarm. Okay, schedule alarm. The parameter is a time, which is along the table data, and then in here I will print the schedule alarm. Print schedule alarm, and then I will call the alarm manager, which is set exact allow while idle. Okay, and then in here I will call the alarm manager again. Alarm manager dot rtc wake up. Okay, in this function will be run to reminding us for the alarm, and then I will pass the time in here and alarm pending intent. Okay, like this. This is their add permission. I will add permission in here in manifest first. In this manifest, I will use permission. The name is a post notification. Okay, and one again is a schedule permission. Schedule exact alarm. Okay, and then in here you can see the typo is gone. And again, inside the wrapper package, I create again the new Kotlin class, which is a notification wrapper. Notification wrapper. Okay, Kotlin class, and then I will annotate with inject again constructor, and I will pass the parameter is a notification builder, private file notification builder, which is a notification compat notification compat builder, and then private file. I will pass the notification manager compat again. The name is notification manager. It's a notification manager compat. Notification manager compat. Okay. And inside the curly bracket, I will create for the function for the notify the alarm if the alarm has been done. Okay, the name is notify, and then the parameter is a content title, which is a string, and then I will create again is for the text, content text, which is a string again. Okay, and I will pass the curly bracket and will create variable in here. The code is notification, which is a notification builder, and this sets content title, which is a content title, and I will set the content text, which is a content text, and I will build it. And lastly is a notification manager dot notify, which is a one ID. I give the one ID and this notification. Okay, like this. Okay, and then after that, and I will create again in here a new packet again. The name is a receiver. Inside the receiver, I will create the Kotlin class, and the name is alarm notification receiver. alarm notification receiver. Okay, like this one, and we annotate it with a broadcast receiver. Broadcast receiver. I give the parameter. I will give the this is a service, and I will give an annotation with Android Enterprise. Okay. After that, I will operate the function for the implement member in here. You can alt plus enter and enter again receiver in here. Before that, I will call the notification wrapper. Okay, I will create the annotation inject. Okay, in here I will create a let unit file notification wrapper. Notification wrapper, it's a notification wrapper. Okay, inside the receiver, I will call the notification wrapper. Notification wrapper dot notify, and then in here I will call the content title, which is intent dot get string extra, which is I will create first in here a component object. Okay, I'll give the constant value. The name is notification title, which is a main string. Sorry, notification title, and then call again a notification tag, which is a notification tags. Okay, like this, and I will fill this with a notification title, in no label, which is a title. Okay, and I will call again a content tags, which is intent again dot get string extra notification tags, and if null, which is filled with the content tags. Okay, like this one. Okay, after that I will create my receiver in here. Inside the receiver package, I will create new class in here. The name is my receiver. Okay, noted with broadcast receiver again, and then I will give the employee member of Reddit on receiver, and then in here inside this I will create for new variable message which is intent dot get string extra. I will fill this with message. Okay, and then I will give the if statement here. If message is not null, and I will give the toss. I will give the context in here, and I will give the message, which is a message. Okay, like this. And then I will create in here, I will create a new package again. The code is a navigation. For the navigation click, if I click the notification, and I will show the detail screen. Okay, I will create again. In here is navigation, and inside the navigation I will create a screencast, which is a set class. I will create in here CL class. The name is screen. Okay, like this. And I will have in here route, which is a string, and then in here I will create the object of the main. This is for the main screen. For the main screen, annotated with screen object, and the route. I'm sorry, route, which is a main, and then I create object again for the detail screen. Noted with screen again. I will give the route. In here I will give the detail from notification click, which is a message from notification. I give it the letter, and then I will give the curly bracket in here for the pass the argument. I will create a function for the passing argument. The name is pass argument. In here I will fill the message, which is a string, and the message is a detail from where, which is the message. Okay, I will call the message like this. Okay, I will break letter, and then I will give in like I will make again in the navigation package, which set up from the navigation graph. I will create in here new content file nav graph. Okay, in here I will create the composable function. Composable, create a function which is a setup nav graph. The parameter is nav controller. Which is a nav controller, nav host controller. Okay, and give the bracket again. In here I will fill with nav host, nav control, which is a nav controller, and then this is for the start destination. Okay, I will enter first, enter and enter and enter. Okay, the start destination is a screen main screen dot route. Okay, and I will keep the curly bracket. Inside here I will create a composable for the route which is a screen main dot route will be navigate to the main screen. The main screen I will not to provide now. I will create later, and then in here I will create again composable which is the route is for the detail screen. We'll create the screen and detail screen dot route, and then I will give the argument. For the argument is a list. I will give the list, and inside the list I will give the nav argument, in here. Before that, I will create maybe I will create in here. I'm sorry. I will create in here constant value. Okay, the name is Mayuri, which is I will. You can give the custom Yuri up to you, and I will give the https dot slash notification app.com. Okay, like this one, and I will get again. I'm sorry. Create again. Const file is my argument, my arg, which is a message. Okay, like this. And I will fill my nav argument in here is a my arguments, and give the type. I'm sorry, type, which is a nav type dot string type, and also I to use the deep link again, deep link 2 in here. Give the list again, list of or the nav deep link like this, and you can to pass the UR pattern. UR pattern is equal my URI. I use my dollar and then my URI. My URI slash dot my argument. Okay, like this. I will content with curly bracket, and inside here I will create a curly bracket again. Inside here I will create the argument is if dot argument, and the argument give the question mark dot get string. The value is my argument in here. Question mark again. Let function, let block, give the message. Okay, and will feed to the detail screen. I will implement later. Okay, and then I will create the screen. I will create from the new packet called is screen, and then I will create for the two screen, which is a main screen, main screen file, and then I will create again the tail screen, Okay, inside the main screen I will create from the button for the click listener. We'll create here a composable function, which is a function is main screen. I'm so sorry, don't do this. I will revision my this object. Maybe the name is redundant. I will delete the screen value and I will pass in here, and then inside the main screen I will pass with a navigation controller. Is a nav host controller, and then I will make the view model, but I will I not yet to create it. I will annotate in here later. And to detail screen, we'll create a composable function, and I will make the function which is a detail screen, and in detail screen will fill the argument message value, which is a string. I will create in here message, which is a string, and I will curly bracket. In here I will give the column, okay, column, and I will give the modifier is fill maxsize, modifier dot fill maxsize, and then I will call the vertical arrangement, which is arrangement center, and horizontal alignment, which is a horizontal alignment center, horizontal. Inside the column, I will give the text. Is, I will enter first. I'm sorry. Okay, I will create yes like this. Text. I'm sorry. False to import. Okay, import, and you can switch this like this. Text is equal message, and then I will give the style. Style is a text style. I will give the font size. Font size is a material theme. Dot typo dot x6. I will give the for the smallest and font size. Okay, and I will give the font weight again, font weight 2, which is a font weight bold. Font weight dot bold. Okay. And then I will create new package again for the dependency injection. I will create new package, the name is di, and in here I will create for the notification module. I will create from this a Kotlin file, the name is notification module. I'm sorry, module, okay. Kotlin class. Inside here, I will give the module annotation from here, and I will give the installing, which is a singleton component class, and I will change the class with object, okay, like this, and then I will provide the notification builder. I will create a singleton annotation, and then provide the notification builder from provide notification builder, okay, like this, and I will give the application context annotation, application context, which is a context in here, I'm sorry, which is a context, okay, and curly bracket, and annotation with notification compat, notification compat dot builder. Okay, inside this I will create for the intent click. I will click. I will give I'll make the variable which is the name is click intent, which is intent. Okay, inside this I will give the for the inside action view intent dot action view action view. I will pass the argument. In here I will call the Mayuri slash my argument and then in here I will give the values coming from where, maybe from notification or the tile from main screen, which is from the notification or from the main screen. Okay, coming from notification. If this click from the notification to Yuri, okay, like this, and I will create from this context, and then I will pass the main activity dot class dot java. Okay, like this, and then I will create again from the pending intent for click pending intent, which is a pending intent, and then for I will give the for the task stack builder for the, and I will create the context, and I will run in run block in the coroutine scope, and I will add a new, and I will add new intent with parent stack, which is a click intent, and then get the pending intent. The value is I will give 1 and give the pending intent dot flag immutable. Okay, and I will give the return value return for the notification compat dot builder dot context is I will give for the name is my channel ID. Okay, and then I will give set content, give the set content title, which is welcome, and I will set text for the content, set content text, which is a notification app. And then I will give the icon for the notification. I will set the icon small icon. I will get from the variable in here, right click new vector or set, and I will this notification. Okay, I will choose this one, and I will change to AC notification. Okay, click next and finish, and I will fill in here r dot drawable dot AC notification. You enter first the R value and you can to fill the notification. And then I will create the priority set for priority is notification compat dot priority is default, and I will give the visibility is visible private, and I will set public version. For this I will call the notification compat. I will enter first, import first, and I will choose the app. I'm sorry, I'm wrong import, and I will choose for this one. Okay, notification compat, and then in here I will fill folder builder, set the context, and then I will give the for the channel main channel ID, and I will give the set content title, which is I will give the hidden, and then I will give the content text, set content text, which is I will give the message for the unlock to see the message, and I will fill, and the last value I will set content intent set content intent is a click pending intent. Okay, it's done, and I will make again in here the new function. I will provide the notification manager. I will give the singleton annotation, and then provide annotation, and I will create a new function which is a provide a notification manager. I will give the parentheses in here, and I will pass this application contact, which is a context and I'm sorry, and I will pass with a parenthesis and I will fill with annotation with a notification manager compat notification manager compat dot and then I will create a file notification manager is equal notification manager compat dot from context, and I will create the channel file. Channel is equal notification channel the name is I will give the main channel ID, and I will pass for the channel name is main channel and then give the important, which is a notification compat notification manager dot important default, and then In here I will call the notification manager dot create notification channel, which is the channel, and then we'll return with a notification manager. Okay, and I will create one function again in here. I will create a singleton and will provide give the function new function again for the provide alarm manager. Provide alarm manager. I will first the parameter is application context, which is a context again, and then I will annotate with alarm manager. Alarm manager is equal context dot get system service, which is a context dot alarm service is a as alarm manager. Okay, like this, and then I will create one function again, which is a singleton provide again, the function provide with a pending intent the same is application context, which is a context, and then in here I will annotate with a pending intent is equal, and I will pass the pending intent dot get broadcast. The context is a context, and then I will and then with post context I will create a request quote. I will create two, and in this here I will pass with intent. Intent context is alarm notification receiver class .java, and we will apply with a apply block. Inside here I will give the put extra, and I will call the key, which is alarm I'm sorry, I forgot the name. Alarm notification receiver dot notification title is okay. I will pass the value is how are you today. Okay, this is the for the title, and I will pass again with text, notification text. The text is learning notification. Okay, just like this, and I will pass in here with a pending intent with a flag immutable is all pending intent dot update current. Okay, like this, and then I will create the base class for the application. You can just make new in here Kotlin class. The name is my app. Okay, annotate with application, and don't forget to annotate with a Heal Android app and go to manifest, and then here you call the best application, which is for name and my app. Okay, like this. And then I will create a new view model in here. I will create again new Kotlin class, my view model. Okay, class, and annotate with here is with a heal view model, and I will give the index annotation and will constructor. Inside the constructor I will fill the notification builder private file notification will builder, which is a notification compat dot builder. Okay, and then I will pass the with the notification manager compat private file notification manager, which is a notification manager compat. And then the lastly is I will call the alarm manager private file alarm manager. I'm sorry, alarm manager. Okay, like this. And don't forget to give the annotation with a view model. Inside here I will create a function for the show simple notification. We will create a public function. The code is show simple notification. Okay, like this. And I will print it with a show notification, so simple notification. Well, like this. And then I will give the time for this intent. I mean instant for the time is now, and I will give the ball plus second. I will give for the 10 second to epoch milli, and I will call the alarm manager dot schedule. I'm sorry, and fall to call function. I mean alarm wrapper. Okay, alarm wrapper, and in here I will call the alarm wrapper dot schedule alarm. The time is time. Okay, like this. And I will create function for the update notification. Update notification. Here we call the notification manager dot notify with IDs number 1, and then I will call the notification builder, give the set content title is my new title, and I will build it just like this. And I will call the last function, which is for the cancel this show notification. I will create function cancel simple notification. Okay, like this. And I will notification manager dot cancel. I'm sorry, cancel IDs 1, just like this. Okay, and I will go to main activity for setup the navigation controller. I will delete everything. I will delete it. Notification theme. Okay, I will call the call function, which is a setup nav grab nav controller, which is a remember nav controller, and I will delete the navigator like this, just like this. Okay, and I will annotate in here is Android entry point. Okay, go to nav grab and pass the composable with call the main screen, the navigation controller. Okay, like this, and then in here I will call for the detail screen. For the message is a message. Okay, it's done. And lastly, I will create for the main screen. The main screen I will call the main view model. Main view model, which is my view model. I will equal is here view model. Okay, like this. Column. Okay. Give the modifier which is a modifier dot film access, and I will give the vertical alignment which is arrangement dot center, and I will call the horizontal alignment center horizontal, and inside this column scope I will create a 4 button. First, I will create for a simple notification button. I will create a button just simple like that, and I will call this click, which is on click is main view model dot show simple notification, and then like this. Okay, and inside the button I will give the text. The text is show simple notification. Okay, I will give the spacer for the next button. Spacer the height modifier dot height. I will give the height is maybe 12 dp. Enter the dp value. Okay, and I will copy from this and pass to this, and I will copy. Okay, and one again. Okay, this is like this. We'll give the enter and enter. Okay, button number 2 I will for the update notification, and I will pass this tag is update notification, and button number 3 is for the cancel simple notification, cancel not simple notification, and the button in here I will give on click for to the tail screen. I will call the nav controller dot navigate to screen dot detail dot pass argument. This message is coming from main screen. Okay, and the text I will change with a detail screen. I'm sorry, fuck. Okay. Don't forget inside the detail in here in screen side class and in detail you pass the main argument in here. My argument, which is my argument. Okay, just like this. And I will try to run the application. And error, I will fix this later. We fix this. In the alarm pending intent, I forgot to annotate with alarm pending intent. Alarm pending intent, okay. And I will try to run again. We'll check it. Maybe my URI is then my R, my argument is equal. I will create curly bracket and then I will pass with dollar my arg. Okay, I will try again. Okay, and the app is running again. I will try to show a simple notification. After 10 seconds will be raised the notification. Okay, I will check the log app. I'm sorry. You can see the notification is raised and I will update notification and it's raised again and I will click notification will be to detail notification. I will back again and I will show and I will cancel, and before that will not to raise the simple notification and I will do detail screen. Okay, like this. Okay, maybe is enough. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share and see you in the next video. Thank you.